Welcome to GG English, your place to learn the language of victory. My name is Alex.
And I am Sam. I love games, but my English is, well, it is bad.
Don't worry, Sam, and don't worry you at home. You don't need to be a professor. You need to be a teammate. Let's start the game. Sam, look, enemy, right there. What do you tell the team?
Man? There? Man? House?
No, Sam. Keep it simple. If he is in front of you, just say enemy in front. Try it.
Enemy in front.
Good. Now he is not there anymore. He's behind you. Quick, say it.
Enemy behind.
Perfect. Enemy in front, enemy behind. Simple, fast, effective.
Sam, stop! Your health, it is very low. You are almost dead.
Help! Help! I need doctors?
Doctors? No, Sam. Just say, I need heal. Repeat with me.
I need heal.
Exactly. Now you try to shoot back, but your gun is empty. No bullets. What do you shout?
I need ammo.
Yes, I need heal. I need ammo. If you say this, your team will help you.
Okay, Sam, the enemy is distracted. We need to move. If I say push, what do you do?
Push? Like a door?
In games, push means go forward, attack. Repeat, let's push.
Let's push.
Wait, stop. There are too many of them. We need to stay here. Don't move. Say, hold this position. Hold,
This position.
push to attack, hold to stay. Remember that. Good job today, Sam. You are not a noob anymore. Thank you, Alex. I feel better now. Enemy behind, I need ammo, let's push. And you? Did you learn? Subscribe to GG English. Practice these words in your next match. See you in the next level. GG! GG!